Are you receiving requests from record requesters asking you to upload records to hXe? Great news! You can now quickly and easily fulfill these requests through hXe's secure online platform without needing to create an account. In this video, we'll briefly demonstrate how healthcare providers can fulfill a record request by uploading records through hXe. Let's get started. You should have received a request cover sheet that looks something like this. Included in this cover sheet will be an upload code and validation code that is unique to this specific request. In order to upload the requested records through hXe, the first thing you need to do is visit www.hxe.io/upload. From here, you'll enter the upload code and validation code found on the request's cover sheet. After pressing Confirm, you'll be directed to that request. On this page, you'll be able to cross-reference the requester's and recipient's information with the request you received. Once you have confirmed this information is correct, release the records from your EHR, save them as a PDF, and upload them to hXe. You can either drag and drop or click inside the dotted box to upload these records. After the records have been uploaded, simply press Submit. The requester will then get a notification to download the records from hXe, and you can go on to the next request. Now it's your turn. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about hXe, please contact our customer support team at support@hxe.io.